Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I will discuss the examination, the last year question paper, question of examination 1 with the solutions. The first section will be the physics, and I will start with the physics question paper first. And you can see the year 33 2024. And the first question is in the solar cells, as the option B is correct, because silicon is majorly or widely used in the preparation or manufacturing of the solar cells. As you can see, solar cells are used in storage of energies, are used for the converting light energy into electrical energy. To store this, batteries are used for preparation or for generation of this all power energy. Silicon is widely used. So the option number B is correct. Here, an electric circuit to get an equivalent resistance RS, 4 resistors of 2 ohm each are first connected in series. What is first? They are connected in series. Later, they get equivalent resistance of RP. The same are connected in parallel in the ratio of RS. Here, you can solve this question by series and parallel resistors as with the formula series and parallel. I will show here. First, for the case 1, it is in series. This is I'll add all resistors because they are in series. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. And for the second case, they are in parallel. So you can parallel formula is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 or 2. After removing the LCM, 1 or 2, and they ask the ratio here. The first case 1 is in series. In series it will be 8, and then it is 1 by 2. By solving this, taking to above 8 to 16, and 1 is below, as this answer will be written to 16 is to 1, as answer number A is correct, which is 16 is 1. Here the question number 3 is write statement regarding the color of the scattered sunlight and the size of scattering atmosphere particles is. Here the answer will be 2 larger particles scatter all colors equally. If the size of the particles are 2 larger or longer, they will scatter the color or the light equally. They will scatter it uniformly. So as the statement is correct, and the answer is D, option number D. Coming to the 1 marks question, here 2 questions they are asked. It is the symbol of the following component used in an electric circuit. First, combination of 2 cells, second, wire crossing without joining. Here you can see combination of 2 cells. These are the combination of 2 cells. The first longer one is plus positive terminal, second negative terminal. Here also positive terminal, here also negative terminal, because it is at lower potential. This you can study in color. Current electricity or electric current in the chapter. You can study this all symbols which are particular, which are scripted in the diagram or table format. You should learn the symbol as well. What is the symbol and how not is used for which purpose it is used for. Here the second is wire crossing joining. Without joining, you should draw this without joining wire. This is wire, it is jumping from above. It is not joining the another wire which is crossing, it's below. Can an electric heater 2 kilowatt can be connected to domestic circuit rating 15 amp and has a potential difference of 220 volts? Support your answer. Here they have given a statement and they have asked us to support the answer, means provide the reason for the question given. Each point is for half marks, so you should script your answer in point wise, so you will get the marks. First half point, second half point is equals to 1 marks. Can be connected in it is the answer is can be connected because means it is the reason they will provide here, because the rate of electric circuit is less than, because the rate of electric circuit is less than 15 amp. As you calculate this, you will get 15 amp. and which is as it is also given in the question. This will be the reason for that above question. And these are the questions you can see here. What is spectrum of light and name and its phenomena, the color. This you can read by your own because the length of the video will be too lengthy and you'll feel boring. Please, I will requesting to our students to please subscribe the channel for these types of key answers to learn while examination preparation, how to write the answer and how to script a paper in a systematic way so the evaluator can provide you the marks easily, and very good marks you can achieve in the examination, and you can score in the paper as you write the answers in point wise. These questions are for 2 marks each. 3 questions have been asked in the physics section. What is spectrum? And there is an OR option also. Or is this also come under the OR section? This question will come under the OR section. The question number will be same as above. 6th question number. What is contract of pi? Contract means the white layer which equivalent to what the old people's like a skin. It will appear on the layer of on the front position of the eye. Where the white layer will accumulated. That layer is called means that will accumulated on the lens of the older age people approximately above age 45 becomes milky and cloudy, like it will look like milky and cloudy. This condition is contract of eye, and the near point is 25 centimeter, the far point is infinity. This should be written means if you write the definition you will get the 1 marks. When the definition you will get the 1 mark. Each point you have gained the half marks each. You can see over here. This is for 2 marks each. Production of nuclear energy advantages and also disadvantages. Verify the statement with suitable explanation. Means you have to provide advantages and both disadvantages for this question. You can see the advantages over here. And how these advantages means these are also have written 2 points means 1 point for half marks. Means each point is for half marks and total, and then down point is for half and half marks. In total it is asked for 2 marks, so you have to write 4 points each for advantages and each for disadvantages. I will scroll the paper due to length of this video. This video will be very much lengthy. We should read the question and see the answers, how they are distributed, and same and you have to describe in your final examination of coming year 24-25. See for this diagram, they have also written the 4 points why this diagram and what this diagram states about. Coming to this diagram for 3 marks, the 12 diagrams you need to practice for examination. Among the 12 or 13 diagrams, one is fixed for in your examination, and not only removing the diagram neatly, you will only fetch 2 marks for this diagram, and remaining marks is for the points you can see over here. These points are for half marks. Means if you write, means you draw the diagram, you will fetch 2 marks, and if you don't write these points you will lose 1 marks. Means you will get 2 marks. If you write all this, you will fetch 3 marks and you will score good marks in this particular question. And here the 10th question is related to numerical from the chapter electricity. Here they have given 2 questions from a single chapter. You can solve this question. Here you can see how they have solved this question. You should take the formula first and write the given what they have given in the questions, and you should sort for the answer. How they have distributed the marks, you can see here 1 marks for I, current. Now for they have given the marks for volt, how much it will be consumed. This is for question number 10. First question. Let's see the second question. Thus the potential difference occurs here. you can see how they are solved in systematic way. So you should solve in systematic way to score better marks or good marks. Just I will script the paper. You can see over here. Now you should read the question and you can understand how they are asked for. You can read by it and understand the concepts. I cannot clear here all concepts because it will take more than 1 hour to cover all concepts over here in briefly also. Just I will scroll it and you will be watching this video. So still I am in the physics parts only here. Right and thumb rule on all this question. This question will ask. Have been asked for 4 marks, 2 questions, total 8 marks. See the answers. Here it is solenoid. Laws of reflection, concave mirror, convex mirrors. These are the important topics from light reflection lesson. You can see the differences over here. The next section is chemistry. You can see over here organic compounds obtained by the reaction between carboxylic acid and alcohol are esters are the organic compounds which are obtained at the end of the reactions. See, this is another MCQ, total 3 MCQ from each section. That is equals to 3, 3, 3 and 2. Total there asked for 8 marks. See how they have solved the questions in point wise. If you write it in point wise, it will be easier and the evaluator would give the good marks here. How if you write the point, they will give the full marks to you, but the keyword should be present. One point to tell you, but the keyword should be present in it. Only writing the points will not fetch you the marks. This is another important, super important questions fix asked in the examinations related to periodic classification of elements. Some elements will be given in the examples like E, F, G, H, and electronic configurations are provided over here. And there asks this means various types of questions are asked on the periodic classification of elements based on the modern periodic table. They will ask the questions related to it in different ways. You should answer here. Arrange these elements in the decreasing order of their atomic radii. They ask means you have to write this arrangement in decreasing order first G, then E, and then followed by H, and again H is followed by E. And practice all diagrams because diagrams will also help you to pass. Not only passing, it will also help you to score in the examination as well. Here they are not mention the what you say the labelings. You should also label in the examination. See how these questions are asked based on the pH values and all. This question is in the form of OR. This is also 21 and this OR option is question number will be common for both the questions, as you can see over here. Means for 21 the answer will start from here. Wait, I will tell you. 21 the answer will start from here. For first question the answer will first. Don't think that this is a question and answer will be start from here. Don't think that this will be the question and answer will directly start from here. No, first question the first answer, and again for OR they will mention as here OR. They will mention OR, and the answer for OR is continued from here. This is again one diagram they asked for 3 marks, sorry 2 marks. They also distributed the marks as for diagram 1.5 marks and parts half marks, total 1 plus 1 marks, 1.5 plus half marks. These are the complete the reaction, which is this is a very super important question. For 3 marks they will ask the oxidant and oxidize and reduce in the reaction, but this will be like not the fixed question they will ask. The different equation can be. You should practice some of the examples so you can clearly understand which is oxidized and which is reduced in the equation. See here from carbon and compounds they ask the questions. You stop the video. Means you should stop the video and watch the answers. I will be scrolling over here. The next section is biology of the paper. These are some MCQ. In biology they ask 2 MCQs, in physics they ask 3 MCQs, and in chemistry they ask 3 MCQs. Means totally 8 MCQs will be asked from the different sections of the textbook. See how they have asked the heart. Means you should be perfect with the concept. You should apply the knowledge and solve the question. Directly seeing the diagram in the textbook, you can not compare this art directly. You should apply the knowledge what you have learned in 1 year. That you should be able to apply the knowledge over here. Again, you can see the distribution of the marks over here. 1.5 for diagram and half for labeling, means total 2 marks they were assigned for this particular question. And this is again on diagram from biology section. This are also fixed question. Aerobic and anaerobic differences should be perfect. Any 2 points they are asked, but you will write the nearly to 3 points to 4 points. If any of the point goes wrong, you will fetch the marks in the different points. See the points over here. Going to the next question, which is or, and which is question is in above here. This is the question. Or question is below A, B. These are 4 marks. Brain control following activities. You should know with the diagram. You should also be perfect with each functioning of the brain part. Not only studying the diagram, you should be perfect with each part of the diagram. What is the functions? What they perform in the body if it is related to bio. Here they have mentioned all functions of that particular parts, because the question is asked for the 4 marks and the marks are not less, so you should write the answer in lengthy. For B, you can see how they are written. Please write each and every answer in point wise, so it will be easier to evaluate and provide you the marks. See how this question is asked for 5 marks from the biology section. Thank you for watching the video till end, and please subscribe to my channel for new videos related to key answers and many SSLC and PUC question papers and many other question papers. Thank you for watching till end, and please subscribe for new videos. Don't watch the videos, please subscribe for my efforts. Thank you.